Hello friends, my name is Unchita and you're watching my channel Tech Right Education. In this video, I will continue with the interview questions which are asked when you go for the profile of desktop support, remote desktop support, technical support and so on. This is part 2 of the tutorial. So let's begin our session. The next question is it compulsory to have a default gateway? So, if you want to communicate with the system which is present in another network, then you need default gateway. But if you want to communicate with the system which is present in same network, then there is no need to have a default gateway. If you will communicate with the other network without default gateway, then you will receive an error message. Let's understand with the help of an example. This is a topology which I have made on Cisco Packet Tracer, which contains a router, 2 switches and some PCs. This is another network and this is another network. So if my PC0 wants to communicate with PC2, then it needs a default gateway. Why? Because they are present in different network. If PC2 wants to communicate with PC3, or we can say PC0 wants to communicate with PC1, then there is no need of default gateway because these both PCs and these both PCs are present in same network. Let's see how to configure default gateway. We'll simply go on PC, go on IP configuration. Which default gateway I have given here? I have given here 10.0.0.1. Why? Because my packet moved from this location. If I will go to PC3 IP configuration, then you will see I have mentioned here 20.0.0.1 because its network is 20.0.0.1. When I send packet from this location to this location, then it moves from this location. Suppose I remove default gateway from here. Now what will happen? If I want to send packet from this location to this location, then it will fail. Why? Because these both PCs are present in different network and we don't have default gateway on this PC. If I configure default gateway again, what is default gateway? This is 20.0.0.1. Now we will again send one packet. You can see here it is successful because I have mentioned default gateway here. So this is a use of default gateway. Similarly, we can test other PCs also because I have configured default gateway already. You can see here we are able to send packets from this network to this network because we have configured default gateway. The next question is, what do you understand by safe mode? Safe mode in Windows is used for diagnosing the operating system and also for removing spywares. If your drivers are not working properly, then you can also troubleshoot your drivers from safe mode and you can also configure the softwares from safe mode. If you want to remove unwanted programs, then you can use safe mode as it runs a diagnostics which you cannot run in the normal mode. The next question is, how can you start a system in safe mode? So there are two ways. The first one is restart your system and click F8 key. There are different keys according to the PC. Search for it, that which key is used for getting booting options in your laptop. Once you get the booting options, go to the safe mode. Once the process completed, you will enter in the safe mode. Now what is the second process? Simply go to the search bar, type cmd, run as admin, click yes and write a command that is ms config and hit enter. Then you will get the screen like this. Here you will get the option that is safe mode. Select minimal and click on apply, then OK. Once you restart your system will boot in safe mode. Now the next question is, what is the blue screen of death? It is also called BSOD error. It is a kind of fatal error. Now what do you mean by fatal error? A fatal error is an error which suddenly freezes your system and force you to restart your system. It comes like a pop-up on your screen and completely freeze your system. There are various causes of this error and some of them I have mentioned. The first one is high CPU processing and usage. The second one is faulty RAM. If your RAM is faulty, then this issue can occur. The third one is installation of any faulty software. If you have installed any faulty software, then this error can come. I was also facing this error, but in my case the reason was BIOS update. My BIOS was not up to date. Once I update my BIOS, this error gone and I was able to use my system freely. Now how to get the solution and how to know the reason that why this error is coming? There is a unique code on that particular blue screen. Simply copy this code and search for it. You will get the solution. Now the next question is, can you convert hard disk into dynamic? If yes, then how? Simply press Window R key and type a command that is diskmgmt.msc and hit enter. You will get the screen like this. Right click on basic portion. You can see here it is mentioned basic and simply click on convert to dynamic disk. It will convert your hard disk into dynamic disk.